Give your orchids these leaves, and they will bloom all year round. They will amaze you with large, beautiful flowers, so many that you'll lose count. New buds will keep appearing, and stems will grow fuller each day. You'll also see plenty of new, healthy roots. The right fertilizer will not only strengthen your orchids, but also stimulate their blooming. Used regularly, it works wonders. A simple yet powerful fertilizer can be made from these leaves, bay leaves. Use about 10 of them, crush them, and place them in a container. Add 3 tablespoons of rice, then pour in half a liter of boiling water. Cover the container and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. After that, blend the mixture and strain the liquid through a sieve. Add 2.5 liters of water. Use this fertilizer to water your orchids, making them healthier, stronger, and full of blooms. This solution is rich in essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. You can also wipe or spray orchid leaves with this fertilizer. No matter how you use it, your orchid will thrive, grow beautifully, and bloom abundantly.
This fertilizer is for free. Simply water your orchids with it to encourage the growth of new leaves. Orchids are very temperamental plants, and many people struggle with their care. If you want to see new leaves, make sure to provide proper nutrition for your orchid. To prepare this fertilizer, you only need one ingredient. Put rice into a jar and pour warm water over it. Wait a few hours until the water becomes cloudy. This suspension is rich in silicon, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and vitamins. Use it to water your orchid and nourish its roots and stems. You can also use cooled water from cooked rice. This fertilizer is like a vitamin bomb and also has a hydrating effect. Repeat the process every 2 or 3 weeks. You will quickly notice that the plant starts to produce new shoots. Rice water alters the soil's acidity and protects against diseases. You can also use it to water other potted plants.
1 spoonful of this syrup is enough to make your monstera grow into a healthy, lush plant. Start by using garlic, a natural remedy with incredible properties. Prepare 4 garlic cloves and slice them thinly. Garlic acts as a natural protector against pathogens that can weaken plants. Place the sliced garlic cloves into a 1-liter jar and pour in warm water. Then add 1 spoonful of honey. Honey boosts immunity and helps plant regeneration. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit for a few hours. During this time, the ingredients infuse into the water, creating a powerful natural elixir for your plant. After a few hours, strain the liquid into a larger jar and dilute it with 1 liter of water. Your natural syrup is now ready. Use it to water your monstera, providing essential nutrients that will quickly restore its vitality. To clean the monstera leaves, soak a cotton pad in the syrup and gently wipe them. This helps remove pests while strengthening the plant externally. Apply this syrup every few weeks, and your monstera will reward you with lush growth, glossy leaves, and a healthy appearance. Dissolve in water and water your peonies with this in March. You'll spend only pennies on this, and in a few weeks their stems will be bending under the weight of buds. They will reward you with beautiful, large flowers. If you want to enjoy peony flowers longer and expect a more abundant bloom, make this fertilizer. It is only used in spring. March is the best time to do it. New stems of these beautiful flowers are already emerging from the ground. If they have the right conditions, their beautiful flowers will delight everyone. The proper fertilizer will provide them with everything they need at the moment. You surely have this product at home, and just 1 spoonful is enough to make it into a fertilizer. It is the perfect fertilizer for acid-loving plants, just like peonies. Simply dissolve 1 tablespoon in a bucket of water and water the peonies. This fertilizer will provide them with the proper pH of the soil. They will easily absorb the necessary nutrients, including calcium and potassium. It will also protect against diseases. Prepare about 10 liters of water. Add 1 tablespoon of citric acid to it. Dissolve and water the peonies. The acid will maintain a slightly acidic pH of the soil. This is suitable for peonies. Thanks to this, they will soon bloom beautifully.
This fertilizer is for free. Simply water your Zamioculcas with it, and it will produce new leaves. Although this plant is easy to maintain, the emergence of new shoots is not a common occurrence. If you want to see young leaves, ensure proper nutrition for your Zamioculcas. To prepare this fertilizer, you only need one ingredient. Put rice in a jar and pour warm water over it. Wait a few hours until the water becomes cloudy. This suspension is rich in silicon, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and vitamins. Water your Zamioculcas with it to nourish its roots and stems. You can also use cooled water from cooked rice. This fertilizer is like a vitamin bomb and also provides hydration. Repeat the procedure once every 2 weeks. You will quickly notice that the plant starts producing new shoots. Rice water alters the soil's acidity and protects against diseases. You can also use it to water other potted plants. Making it practically costs nothing, yet the results are astonishing.
Cover your plants with stockings. You'll save your plants. Look for old stockings or tights. If they're torn, don't throw them away anymore. Use them for your plants. If you have potted plants at home, you surely take care of them and nurture them. Household members and guests probably admire them. Even small children are interested in them. If you have a cat at home, you take special care of the plants. Cats love flower pots and the soil in them. When you have plants at home, you can avoid many problems and troubles thanks to stockings or tights. The flowers will be healthy, and you'll be able to take care of them and nurture them calmly. Take old tights. Even if they're torn, it doesn't matter. Place them on the plant. Measure the height. Take scissors and cut an appropriate piece of stocking. Put it on the flower pot. Do it from the bottom. A well-placed stocking should cover the soil. This will provide protection to the roots. Now, children or cats won't play with the soil in the flower pot. Such a cover will also ensure greater tidiness. Animals or children won't spill the soil from the flower pot anymore. This natural fertilizer makes my flowers grow like crazy. It contains everything flowers need. I can use it on any plant in the house. My plants have finally stopped getting sick, and their roots have strengthened. The flowers are beautiful and healthy. Thanks to this fertilizer, potted plants have large green leaves. It increases the number of buds and shoots in flowering plants. This homemade mixture contains all the essential elements: potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicon, zinc, and others. To prepare it, you'll need rice and either a blender or a coffee grinder. Start by making rice flour from the rice. Meanwhile, get a jar ready. Put a teaspoon of rice flour into the jar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Heat 500 milliliters of water. Pour the hot water over the mixture in the jar. Close the jar and let it sit for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a fine sieve. Dilute it. Add 500 milliliters of water for every 100 milliliters of fertilizer. You can save the rest of the jar's contents for later use. Now, water your plants with this mixture and wait for the results.